Hello there, Josephina. I miss you so much. So I wanted to show you how to do this activity. In your Pearson book, you read this story that tells you of one story about how day and night was created. So you're supposed to listen to the story in your book, and then when you get to this slide on my assignment, you're going to click here to learn about the scientific reason why there is night and day. So this is a really cool site. One important feature to know is that you can click here to have it read to you, like this.
Wonder
So
of the day
try
number.
that. Also, there's some interesting videos and pictures here that you can click on to look for more information. Finally, there's a few activities on the side. So here's a little quiz about all these different vocabulary words, and here you can take a little test. So it's your job to try listening to this story and doing the activities to see what you can learn about the scientific reason for night and day.